ones I used to know, where those treetops listen and children listen to hear why Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice, gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out, you better toddle and cool, elephants, boats, and kitty cars too. Santa Claus is coming to town. The kids in girl and boiling will have a jubilee. They're gonna build a toilet town all around the Christmas tree. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not howl and tell anyone. Santa Claus is coming.
Bells jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride, sing a sleighing song tonight.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle.
I've got to go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has been
Hoping that you drop in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like
My
ice.
mother will start to worry,
Beautiful, what's your hurry?
and father will be pacing the floor.
Listen to that fireplace roll.
So really, I'd better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't hurry.
Well, maybe just a half a drink
Put
more.
some records on while I pour.
The neighbors might think,
Baby, it's bad out there.
say, what's in this
No
drink?
cabs to be had out there.
I will.
Santa baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, an outer space convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be oh so good if you check off my Christmas list.
La 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 la, troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la. Fast away the old year passes, la 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 la. Hail the new ye lads and lasses, la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, la 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 la.
So this is a finished product right here. So I got all of these, I don't know how you call these, like wood frames, whatever, I don't know. They were only $1 at the 99-cent store, so I literally took all of them. They only had 8 left, so I grabbed all of them. I know that Walmart has exactly the same ones, exactly the same one for $10 each. So for only $1, that's a very good deal. And this little sign was $1 right here. So to make this one, I spent $2. And then this little wreath was $1.99. The background was $1. This one for $4.99. So this one was a total of $6. And then I also found this one that says Happy Holidays, and it lights up the little Christmas trees. light up. They're super cute. I love it. And also this one, it was a total of 6. Let me know what you guys think of these little wooden signs. Was it a steal or not? Alrighty, see y'all. Bye.